Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of jump button on Google Meet. We click on settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will search about Google Meet. Here we go to first stop and we click OK. Then we'll enter to storage. Here we click on clear cache. After that you'll turn off your phone and you'll wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.